So now what I'm gonna just create, I'm just gonna create a class called animal, like this. Well, not animal, okay, person, like this. I'm gonna just create this. So inside of this class called person, I'm gonna create my properties, right? I can create my private string name, right? Private string last name, like this. And also I can create the constructor person, like this. Parameter string name, string last name, right? Brackets, these dot, and referring to these instance variables, name equals name, this dot last name equal last name, right? And also I'm gonna add these getters and setters. Public string get name, and I'm gonna return the name of this function. Also I'm gonna do the same thing for last name, string the data type get last name, like this, and curly braces, I'm gonna return last name. Okay, so with this, and also I'm gonna add the toString function. This toString allow me to when I print the reference of the object that I created, or I will create, is gonna print just the name and last name, or whatever I wanna just show using the reference when I print it. So I'm gonna call this public string toString, and I'm gonna return the name, right? The name plus the name, and plus again to concatenate last name plus last name, right? Actually I just need to add the O, right? So now in this main class I'm gonna create a list of type person, right? And I'm gonna call this people, and I'm gonna just create, I need to import this list person works. I call this list people, and I'm gonna call arrays dot as list, and I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna create some elements, right? So this is the list that I created over here. Now I'm gonna create an inner interface call function something. Okay, I just create this interface, and inside of this I'm gonna create just one abstract method of type void. Do go like this, and I'm gonna receive something. Well, in this case, no. So this is the abstract function that I created over here. So now, with the example that I show you here, this is the lambda expression. So how can I implement this? I need to save, or I need to create a data type to use this interface and this function, right? So if we going back to this person class, if I implement the interface, I need to override this function, right? But I don't want to do that. I just want to create a function. So in order to create that, I need to call this data type, in this case is of data type person, something, right? And I'm gonna assign a name of this data type, and I need to use the equals, right? So before to do this, I need to create my lambda expression. So how can I do that? I just need to use parentheses like this, and this is like my void function like this, and I need to just do system.out.println hello. So as you can see, there's a problem. This is a lambda expression, but I cannot use it. So now is where I specify the data type and let's call this variable print. So now I implement this function, and also is saving this function, this lambda expression inside of this, and is going to see, okay, this interface something has this go function. Yes, so I can do that. So now how can I print this? To print this, I need to call my reference of type something dot, and as you can see over here I have my go function, and that's it. If I print this, it's gonna print hello. So this is how we implement a lambda expression. In the next video we're gonna see more about this concept using complex lambda expressions.